You want to talk about an extremely rare car and hard to find. This is a fully optioned, legendary 409. Oh, is she beautiful. The black paint is laser straight, every single panel. Beautiful. All the gaps are perfect on the car. Now let's talk about a little bit about the options on this beauty. It is the dual 409 mated to a Tremec 6-speed transmission. Posi Traction rear end, 373 gears, fully powered. 4-wheel disc brakes, powered of course, powered windows. Here's a rare option, powered wing windows. When was the last time you ever seen anything like that? And yes, to answer your question, it is an AC car. This is a fully show-ready, top-level build car. It really is that nice. This is the type of car, once you drive it, you'll never let her go, ever. It is really that nice. Another great feature is that it has the power seat, and it does work. See that? It's raising the seat, very nice. It lowers it down. There you are. Works fine. Seat goes forwards, and the seat goes back. I know that you're in love because I am. This is truly the nicest Impala I have ever had on my showroom floor, ever. It is at a build level all of its own. Everything on the car is perfect. The black paint is laser straight. Every gap in the car is right. Every piece of chrome. You are not going to find anything negative about this car. It is a show-ready car. It is done. And Let's talk the options. Oh my God. How about a dual 409, a Tremec 6-speed, disc brakes, powered steering, powered windows, powered wing windows, AC and heat car. It's fully loaded, it's done. It is done. There's nothing for you to do on the car except put in the key, enjoy it, and take home every single award this car enters. It is at that level. It truly is.